What's up guys, welcome back to Teezy's Top 5, the show where we help you make that all-important buying decision. We of course do this through genuine market research and hands-on experience with the products featured, or at least similar ones. This week we are of course looking at the top 5 best 27-inch gaming monitors of 2021. As always, there will be links to all the products featured in the video in the description. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. For our first gaming monitor on the list today, we've got the Aorus CV27Q. This is our pick for the best curved 27-inch gaming monitor of 2021. It features a 1 millisecond response time, 165Hz refresh rate, 1440p resolution, and it is of course a VA panel, so you get lots of nice punchy contrasty colours on this one. As an added bonus, it also features HDR 400. All in all, for a price of around £350, it's an excellent buy, probably one of the best valued gaming monitors on the list today. If you are interested in color accuracy, it has 122% sRGB, 88% Adobe RGB, and DCI P3 90%. Not the best if you're going to be doing productivity tasks with this, but it certainly is fine for gaming on. Lastly, if you were hoping to use this with your shiny new next-gen console, it does not feature HDMI 2.1 unfortunately. There are however some other monitors on this list which do feature HDMI 2.1. As always, there will be links down in the description to check the latest prices. In at number 4 on the list today is the Samsung Odyssey G7. Coming in at around £530, this is our top pick for the best VA panel on the list today. It features a 1 millisecond response rate, 240Hz refresh rate, and of course a nice crisp 1440p resolution. As an added bonus, you also get HDR 600, and if you are interested in color accuracy, you're going to get sRGB 125%, and DCI P3 95%. Again, not going to be your top pick for productivity tasks, but definitely a blisteringly fast gaming monitor if you prefer VA panels. Do check the links down in the description. In at number 3 is the Gigabyte G27Q. Now this is our top budget gaming monitor on the list today, and this time it is an IPS panel, making it even better value for money. It's not quite as fast as some of the other monitors featured on the list today. It has a 140Hz refresh rate, but it still does have that 1 millisecond response time. Like the other two monitors mentioned, it does have 1440p resolution and HDR 600, which is really great to have on such a low cost monitor. This one comes in at around £340. Unfortunately, again, for your next gen consoles, this does not have HDMI 2.1, but don't worry, we will get to some that do feature that. Lastly, color accuracy on this, you can have sRGB 120% and DCI P3 92%. A really great option in our opinion, and probably one of the best all-round monitors you can get at the moment, especially for the price. Definitely one to consider. Coming in at number 2 is the LG GP950, the successor to the GN950, which was a very popular pick over the last few years. The only thing missing on it though was HDMI 2.1, and I'm glad to say that the GP950 does have HDMI 2.1, so for you next gen console gamers, it's going to be absolutely perfect for you. Now it is of course an IPS panel, and it does feature a 4K resolution with HDR 600. It does also have that all important 1 millisecond response rate and a 144Hz refresh rate, which can be overclocked to 160Hz. Really an absolutely amazing all-round monitor here, but it does come with a price tag of £750, which is probably going to be more expensive than your graphics card. And once we're talking about graphics cards, you're going to need a pretty powerful graphics card to drive this thing. At the very least, a 3070 by our recommendation. Lastly, it does have DCI P3 98%, and it also features 10-bit color like its predecessor. Now, coming in at number 1 for our best overall gaming monitor of 2021 is the AW27-1D. This is Alienware's blisteringly fast 1440p IPS monitor. It features a 240Hz refresh rate and comes with HDR 600. Also, color accuracy wise, you're looking at sRGB 131% and DCI P3 98%, probably the best one on the list. Unfortunately, it does lack that all-important HDMI 2.1, but if you're a PC gamer, you're not going to miss it. In my opinion, this really does hit the sweet spot, and it comes in at around £600, but I actually managed to get mine for £550. Now the video definitely isn't sponsored by them, but I would definitely recommend using Honey at the checkout because that's where I got my cheeky discount from. I will put links down in the description. So that's it for our top 5 picks for the best 27-inch gaming monitors of 2021. Hopefully we covered all budgets and use cases here. As always, there will be links down in the description. If you did find the video helpful at all, please do leave a like and make sure you're subscribed if you're new around here. But for now, thank you so much for watching and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.